What's going on, guys? C5 Pickle here, back with another banger video. And today I bought a radar detector and we're gonna see if it works. But as you guys know, if you guys watched the last video, the Corvette transmission is up. That shit is, it barely drives. It does not switch to third gear. So I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna make that shit work, right, Nathan?
Yeah, bro. You got it.
All right, bro. So we're gonna unbox this shit and we're gonna see if it works. All right, guys. Got the GoPro on. Gonna do like a little POV unboxing, I guess. Block the name. You probably still see it, but blocked out the address. So, yeah. All right. So, I don't even remember what the company's called, to be honest. But oh, Uniden. Yeah, I remember. Apparently, I think this is like a budget radar detector, but it just plugs into the cigarette port. But you could also I also bought these like splicer kit, like to put it into the rear view mirror, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm probably gonna sell my car soon. Right, Nathan? What am I gonna buy, Nathan?
STI?
I'm gonna give you an STI. How about that? Honestly, I don't know. Probably Camaro.
Camaro?
I want one.
Oh shit. Buy an Evo.
Nah.
Evo 8.
Nah, bro, those things are like 30,000.
Overpriced toy cars?
Yeah, for real. Bro, it's like in a... Damn, I didn't expect it to be in like this type of box, to be honest. So... Ooh, my... Oh, shoot. This is like the thing you plug in. This is the radar detector. The suction cup. I don't know what this is for. I'm honestly not even going to read the instructions. I probably should, but I don't want to. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what this is for. Unwrap this. Oh my gosh, bro. I don't even need a freaking instruction. Bro. Alright. I think it's ready, bro. I think.
You just need to connect it?
Yeah, I think I just need to connect it.
Damn.
Plug it in. Save this for
Plug and play.
next car. Yeah, I think pretty much. Alright, so I'm gonna see you guys in the car. Alright, guys, so I guess you just pretty much... Wait, where do you even plug it in from? Oh, I don't even know, honestly. But I think you just... Alright. Wait, how do you do it? Nathaniel, how do you do it, Nathaniel?
I don't know, bro.
You were doing it good earlier.
No, I wasn't. The fuck?
My bad. What the Oh, like that, bruh. Come on now. Come on now.
Fucking idiot,
I think
God damn.
Like, nah,
it's up to you.
It's weird, huh? Nah, bro.
What the fuck is he doing?
I don't know.
It's like that.
Like that?
Yeah.
Sure.
You gotta make sure it's not obstructing your view. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
When you're driving. That's good. Yeah, that's nice.
Alright, bro. Right there.
Yeah, that's perfect, bro.
Oh. Okay.
Looks cool.
Looks like something like
you're about to like open up the back cave type shit.
I know.
Like overreacting about it.
I know. My neighbors are probably looking at me dumb and shit. Okay, this apparently just plugs into here. All right, let's see. Hopefully it. Oh shit!
X-band.
Oh, X-band.
K-A-band. Laser.
Oh. Okay. Highway. I don't know what the modes, to be honest. I should probably have read the instructions, but damn, that thing is.
That's cool.
It's cool as fuck. All right. Let's go.
The cop sees this shit, you're cooked.
For real, bro. They're gonna see this wire, bro. I'm gonna take this shit down. Right?
Yeah, bro.
Fucking tuck that shit in the back and shit. All right, guys, we're gonna take it on a little test drive. Oh, I only have 2 gears, remember?
Yeah.
Damn, bro, I can't even be pushing it.
For real though.
What's that shit? Is that a cop? The fuck does that mean? I don't know what it's supposed to say.
I think that we're getting closer to it.
Yeah. All right, I guess we're gonna see if it works straight off the bat. What is it making that noise for?
It's because there's fucking cops.
Where, bro?
I I don't know, but they're pretty far away. The more it beeps, the closer. I'm pretty sure you already know that.
That's just gonna get annoying then.
Well, that's the whole point of a radar detector. I was about to say a slur.
Don't say that.
Alright.
Wait, what are you watching on your phone, bro?
I'm watching some. Oh yeah, C5 pickle.
Go low.
No, that's cool.
That is cool.
Your girl's gonna be like, what the fuck is
I
that?
know. She's like, what the fuck? Oh look, it's beeping hella loud.
We get pulled over.
For should we roll the windows up?
I would. Let's see if they're. Let's go cop hunting.
You think it's that security guard in the school?
It could be.
Where's it at?
She's singing a song, bro.
I think you're supposed to mute it. Like if you, like, I'm probably gonna mute that shit.
Mute it, but then when you're going fast,
Yeah. No, I don't go fast, bro. You think it's
it would have been beeping.
yeah, it would've been loud as fuck. Yeah, my transmission is so cooked, bro.
Overworking the engine.
I know it's so hot in here, but like it's like annoying too. Alright, we're gonna go to a police station and see if it works. Do not try this at home. Nah, I'm just playing. I think I do have one on. Okay, it's on 4 now. They're gonna
Scalp.
look, he's scared, bro.
It's just beeping for no reason.
I know. Bro, I look dumb, bro. Damn, I look like I'm from the 70s or something. Oh shoot. Oh look, there's a. That shit did not work, bro. What is that? I don't think I have it on correct.
Probably not. I mean, I think the red means there's a cop nearby.
Menu?
Menu.
Highway?
City.
City.
Advanced. Highway.
City.
City.
Yeah. Maybe that's why. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to find out how to work this thing. Do I dare go by this police station? Bro, let's look at the instruction sheet, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull over.
Deadass.
I'm gonna pull over real quick, figure out how to work this thing, and we'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so I guess it was working good. We read it, but I don't know. It says I think we're just dumb, bro. I think when it's like all the way to red, I think it's what, the third one?
The most sensitive. Like,
It's like I think it's when it's closest.
the closest, yeah.
Alright guys, if you guys did make it to the end of the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and we still haven't figured out how to use the radar detector yet. Really haven't had time to, but I'll get around to doing it, and I'll give you guys an update on once I do. So yeah, but once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you guys have a good day, and see you guys later.